everyone, my name is Nisa and I am an electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University. In this video, I will explain my project proposal and my experiment. The name of my experiment is Experimenting with Kirchhoff's Laws, and the aim of my project is to experiment with Kirchhoff's first and second rule. Kirchhoff developed two rules that are based on the fundamental principles of charge and energy conservation. One of them is junction rule, and the other one is the voltage law. Kirchhoff's first rule, which is the junction rule, states that the total current entering a junction in an electrical circuit must be equal to the total current leaving the junction. I apply this rule to my experiment by measuring the current in each node and calculating the sum. I built a 3-resistor circuit in parallel to test this law. All the resistors are 100 ohms and there is a 10 voltage power supply. I aim to measure the current in each node of the circuits. Kirchhoff's second rule, which is also called the loop rule or voltage law, states that the sum of changes in potential around any closed loop of a circuit must be zero. I apply this law by measuring the potential difference in each resistance, and the sum of these potential differences and the power supply equals to zero. In this part, I built a circuit with 3 resistors in series that are 100 ohms and also used a 10 volt power supply. The voltage difference in each resistance was similar to my calculations. In the last part of my experiment, I use a rheostat to measure the current at different resistances. Here I will use the Ohm's law to explain why the current changes as we change the resistance in the rheostat. In the last part of my experiment, I will use a rheostat that alters the resistance from 0 ohms to 1000 ohms, and I will measure the current. I chose 5 different resistance points on my rheostat. As expected, the current that I measured changed as I moved the wiper of the rheostat.